Hello and welcome from Alessandro Zamboni. If you are here, that means you love the Cookbooks Empire brand that, as of today, has reached over 2,200 sales in 3 launches. But I bet you are also here to get the latest news about cookbooks, one of the easiest books to create for Kindle Marketplace by one hand and paper books on the other. This time I focused on cookbooks made for toddlers and kids, as you will see through the funnel, meaning the cookbooks you will create this time will be all about them. In this first guide I present you a genre of book that is selling really well, and that is Cooking with Children, meaning taking the wonderful time to cook with kids. These non-fiction books are bought by a lot of parents, and you can't lose with this new trend. Inside the book, as usual, I will provide a list of the things you can do to make the process easy, the top 7 sub-genres to target, and then I analyze hundreds and hundreds of websites to bring you the best recipes you can take ideas from. With just 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can keep up this fantastic business and release 1 or 2 recipes book for kids and let this business grow fast. You will be able to dominate this niche and bring your earnings to a whole new level. Don't lose the chance to discover what's inside Cookbooks Empire 4 Kids Edition. You will be surprised by how easy it is to put up a business like this in your spare time.